1,061. That's how many applications the average business has today. It's a lot, and it's growing. Now, take a guess at what percentage of those apps are actually connected to each other. Less than a third. Well, luckily, with Salesforce, you can connect and harmonize any data from any app or system, whether it's within Salesforce, a third party, or even homegrown. So, how do you do that? Well, with Salesforce Data Cloud, it brings together all your data to create a single view of your customer, which you can then action against across the entire customer journey. And how do you bring all those third-party, legacy, and homegrown apps and systems to the party? Well, with the added power of MuleSoft, you can quickly connect any data source into Data Cloud. And it's not just about getting the data in, it's then acting on it. With the power of MuleSoft and Salesforce Flow, you can automate and action data across systems and apps in real time, no matter what system an update is actually made in. This means all teams, from accounting to sales, will have the right data at their fingertips to make better data-driven decisions and deliver better connected experiences. From thousands of apps to one customer view, that is the power of Salesforce Data Cloud and MuleSoft.